Rasta, lift up that Mr. Wagwan. Lift up that Mr. Wagwan. Wagwan, yes, sir. Good, pork. Brown sugar. Roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
Some bonita slices, that's for fry up.
Yeah.
Good package of rabbit.
Yeah, make it look good.
Season for steam roast fish. Fried fish I go on there, so yes, Tati.
Yeah, man.
How you think I go? Alright, brother. See you there. What you want, Rookie?
Salt.
3 different sitting while I go.
Yeah, salt. It's not pan there.
Hold this. What kind of soup there, sir, Rookie?
You know, sir, chicken foot makes me chicken same way, brother.
Alright. So I hit that, you know?
Move, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Next 10 minutes.
Nah, put too much water upon it. There we go.
Yo, Dad. Really appreciate it, brother.
Right, man.
Yeah, man. You're my brother, bro. You just watch how you deal with the thing, you know that. You not take a hold of peace. Yeah,
Let's go with fish ready, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Steam a fly funny. Of course, I rain now. Rain now go stop nothing now.
I know that's what beauty says.
Good. Yeah. So we add the steam roast fish to fry, you see me?
Yo, Dad.
Where see I go on now? Where the pan now?
They are cook some chicken and some rabbit and roast breadfruit and shan for dinner.
Yeah? Yeah. No rush, everything I soak through real way. Alright. See there? We don't add no water to it in our wagwan. You see that? Produce it. Own juice. You make it go on like that for a little while before you add the water. Best flavor you can get, not true? Yeah. Roast breadfruit. Roast sweet potato over there. So, alright, me zoom in that you can see it. See it there? Alright. Yeah.
You mean?
Alright, so yo. Ashan birthday, you know, we have to follow like good Jamaican tradition. You
Yeah.
have to get flour.
Yeah.
As much as in the ball, as much as in say, in bed already, that now will stop the crowd beat. Tati, where's something? Boy, if you get flour, don't you? So, alright, watch out now. You just gone back on the laptop. So I got to deal with the thing, is it?
Yeah.
Run this or run that pool.
Brunei Pool.
Now you lurk on every corner, trying to make a dollar from them quarters. Thought you were my friend, give an helping hand, prove to be my enemy. I can't even trust anyone. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I've got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my life suffering. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. Waste no time on you, no behaving yourself up in a crime on you. No girls are finding you. No tell me what you can do. Willing to happen, not to wind on this thing. Stupid things you do, I just can't believe. Since you don't know what you really need. Like you remember like everything sounds good.
Listen, man, wake up. I hate mine. Yeah, I hate.
Happy birthday, cuz.